Before cleaning, take note of these general warnings. Do not use caustic cleaning products or those containing ammonia, phosphates, chlorine, sodium or potassium hydroxide. The use of these caustic cleaning products can damage critical oven parts. Do not use water pressure type cleaning systems. Use of unapproved cleaning agents will void the terms of the warranty. Do not spray cleaning solution into perforations. Do not use abrasive scouring pads to clean cavity sides or red sealant in cavity corners. Apply only gentle pressure when cleaning the AXP or MXP cavity sides. To prevent burns, handle utensils, accessories, and door with care. Allow oven utensils and accessories to cool before cleaning. Oven utensils and accessories become hot during operation. Let's get started cleaning. Start by shutting the unit down and touching the green power icon and allow the unit to cool. To speed up the cool down process, open the oven door. Let the oven interior reach room temperature before cleaning. Once cooled, remove any accessories and rack from the cavity. Use an oven mitt to gently lift and pull out the bottom infrared element cover from the cavity. Begin cleaning the interior of the cavity. Use an oven mitt or tongs to lift the infrared element. Use a scouring pad to gently remove any baked-on particles on the bottom of the element and the non-stick liners. Using a warm, damp, clean towel, apply gentle pressure and wipe the oven interior. Rinse the towel and wring dry. Repeat 2 to 3 times to remove remaining particles from the oven. For stubborn debris, using proper protective gear, spray the inside of the oven door and cavity walls with a non-caustic cleaner or ACP oven cleaner. Avoid spraying the cleaner into areas with perforations. Allow the cleaner to soak for 2 minutes. Wipe the cleaner off with a damp, clean towel to ensure all chemicals are removed from oven surfaces. Repeat 2 to 3 times if necessary. To clean the infrared element cover and oven rack, use mild dishwashing detergent such as Dawn and a non-abrasive sponge or soft bristled brush. Rinse thoroughly and dry. When cover and rack are dry, reinstall into the oven cavity. To clean the unit's exterior, use a clean cloth, sponge or nylon pad, and a mild detergent in warm water. For the unit's touchscreen display, use a dry or damp microfiber cloth. Do not use Windex or other harsh chemicals. Do not spray water or chemicals directly onto the oven screen.